What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about my experience working on Cobra Kai Season 6 and also sharing a lot of the behind the scenes pictures and videos I have. So let's get this video started. So if you didn't know, I had the chance to work on Cobra Kai Season 6 throughout several of the episodes on parts 1, 2, and 3. And during that time, I actually did a few different things. I got to be the stunt double for Devin Lee. I got to be the stunt double for Kim Daeun. And then I also got to be a stunt performer on the Korean Cobra Kai team. Now, a lot of you asked me, how were you able to get on the show? How were you able to work on it? And then also just kind of my experience on there. So first off, we'll talk about how did I kind of get able to work on the show. It's kind of a long story, but pretty much my coach actually was working on the show. He was helping train the actors. He worked in the stunt department. He also was the ref for the tournament, and then he also was a stunt double for Wolf and also the stunt double for Chosen. Pretty much I was training with him and a couple other stunt performers, and while we were doing some kicking, the fight coordinator for Cobra Kai was watching in one of those sessions. I met him there, he saw me kicking, and then a week later I got a call asking if I could come work on the show. The first thing I was asked to do was to be a stunt double for Devin Lee because I kind of fit a little bit of her description. So I got to be her stunt double for a little bit throughout the beginning of the season. And then while I was there working for that, I also got the opportunity to fill the last spot for the Korean Cobra Kai team. Since I'm half Korean, I got to do that, and of course I took that chance to do that as well. That was a lot of fun being able to work on that alongside the actors and also the stunt performers that were on the Cobra Kai Korean team. And then also while I was there, I got to be a stunt double for Kim Daeun, so I got to be her stunt double as well. So those are like the three main things that I got to do while working there. It was really cool. Being a stunt double, the main thing I had to do was learn any of the action that the actor had to do, making sure that I knew how to do it, and then also helping them learn it if they needed to as well. And then the main things I did for like Devin Lee, I did one of her falls off of the platform, and then for Kim Daeun, I also did one of her falls as well during the brawl. So those are kind of the two things where I actually did those falls for them. And then on the Korean Cobra Kai team, when I was working as that portion of the characters, I was in the, I think it was a 6 vs 6. It was, yeah, the team fight. It was the 6 vs 6 Miyagi-Do and Korean Cobra Kai team, the mat fight at the beginning of the tournament. I was in parts of that, and then I got taken out by Miguel towards the pretty much kind of like the middle of that mat fight. So those are kind of the bigger action parts that I had. And then other than that, I was just on set a lot with the Korean Cobra Kai team. And then even if I didn't always do the action for either Devin Lee's character or Kim Daeun's character, I was always there in case they needed me to fill in for anything for them as well. And then the very last episode, episode 15, I was when they kind of went back through and were looking back at kind of where everyone was. When they showed like that scene with Kim Daeun and her little dojo, supposed to be back like in Korea. You see me there doing a little bit of kicking right before Chosen comes in to surprise her there. So I was also in that last little part in episode 15 as well. Overall, it was a lot of fun, really great experience being able to work on the show, being around the actors. They are super talented. They're all very nice. They do a lot of the martial arts you see on screen. They're the ones doing it. They're very talented. They train a lot. They work very hard. And just being able to interact with them was a pretty cool experience. And then also my husband got to work on the show as well. He was the Thai captain during the tournament portion. He got to fight Miguel in that beam fight. So it was really cool. We got to work on set a few days together as well. So that was also, of course, really cool. But just overall, it's a whole new experience just through martial arts, being able to experience it in a different way other than just like training and doing like tournaments. You're kind of doing martial arts, you know, on set for a TV show. So just really cool how martial arts just has so many different paths. And it wasn't even something I was planning to do. I wasn't even trying to get on the show. But of course, getting that offer, of course, I had to do it as a martial artist. Wasn't going to say no to that. But it was a really fun, cool experience. I hope you all enjoy all these behind the scenes pictures and videos. It's just a little bit that I have throughout working. I worked like off and on for like 3 months. Like I said, throughout several episodes. So these are just some of the pictures and videos that I've had. Hope you all enjoy those behind the scenes. And let me know in the comments down below, who was your favorite character on Cobra Kai? Let me know if you're a Cobra Kai fan. Thank you all so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.